Okay, this is a gnarly day. Let's find out if the Mr. Coily puck mount leaks water. Because people are talking about leaking water. You see here? We'll stop here. This is how much it's raining right now. It's gnarlified. Beautiful out here. I have not pre-looked at this to test your theory out. Here's my Mr. Coily. You can see all the water that's on it. Ooh. Even I'm getting wet out here. We got an umbrella. I'm partially secure here. We come around it.
We're willing to get wet, but not too wet.
Let's get all up on the bolt here. We're getting all up on this, baby. Okay.
This is the moment of truth.
The moment. The moment of truth. Here is their Mr. Coily puck mount, mounted with his plate that he provides when you purchase the puck mount. I see absolutely no water.
Never has been.
No water. You can see that the plate itself only has basic surface rust from my environment that I live in here in the Pacific Northwest. It's raining gnarly out here.
No, it's always been good.
You see. It's really raining. I mean, it's doing its thing. So
It's starting to slow down, but hey.
there you go. There's my rain review of the Mr. Coily puck mount.
Just for you.